Well, hello there, you guys. It's Kevin back here with a brand new packing video. Today we're gonna pack up, I believe, some pairs of shoes and a hoodie. Yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Let's get it. There is a mess down here, you guys. We'll get this started real quick. First, we're gonna get down Poshmark shoes that we sold. We sold some Nike Elite cleats. If only we could just find them. Oh, so that took me around like 10 minutes. No, I'm just kidding, but it took a good amount of time. These are Elite cleats. Here we sold them on Poshmark for $125. No, I didn't keep the tag. But these cost us $30 at Burlington. So we made $70 on these, which is really great profit. Oops, I forgot to show y'all the Rolo action, but anyways. So let's get our box here. Yesterday was a really big sales day. I sold 4 pairs of shoes. I usually only sell around 1 shoe a day or 1 piece of clothing daily. Yesterday just kind of poured in though. Real grateful for that. I'm like, this price tag, where did I put it? But it doesn't matter. You don't want to send a price of what you paid for to the customer, because then they're gonna be like, yo, why did you charge me this for this? I've seen some resellers who accidentally have done that, and oh, come on, bro. And it really wasn't good for them because the customer was upset. In one instance, he did the refund because he was like, he just couldn't believe that he paid that much for some pairs of shoes somebody found at Ross. But got the first pair done. Let's go get the other ones done. My bad, you guys. On these hypervenoms, I made $67.60. Yesterday I also sold a bundle pair of these, size 9. I paid $20 for these a long time ago. I think up to like 6 months ago. In the summer, I sold these for. Well, the whole bundle was $150, and I only paid $40 for both shoes. Well, $20 for each shoe, so $40. But hopefully, this doesn't weigh more than 5 pounds because I don't know how Poshmark processes their thing. But yeah, you guys can see $20. I don't think it'll weigh more than 5 pounds, but we'll see. So I'm gonna see how the heck I'm going to fit this into one box. I'm gonna try this one. Walmart box. And hopefully it's not over 5 pounds. Yeah, there's no way to. Well, I gotta cut it down first. Right on the freaking dot, man. Not on the dot, but thank God it wasn't over 5 pounds. I'm pretty sure Poshmark would just change it. This person lives in Texas and is his name is Jeff. Rolo action. Yes, sir. Should have checked this before, but I want to make sure this is the correct size. Yeah, I didn't want to give them 2 incorrect sizes because I did that last couple, like I think my 2nd month or something selling on eBay. I messed up. This dude lived in Hawaii. I had free shipping and it came out of my pocket, 15 bucks. When it should be around 12, but I messed up. Sent him a size 11.5. He should have got a 12, but I sent him 11.5 shoe and a 12 size shoe by mistake because I had all those shoes together and I grabbed 2 and they were the incorrect ones. So, and I ended up returning those shoes to Ross and I think I gave them an 11.5 and a size 12. So sorry about that, Ross. But yeah, you live and you learn. But yeah, you gotta refill this Rolo real quick. And we have one more shoe, you guys. Sold some Air Maxes that I found at Ross. Get this box ready, and we'll go look at the numbers. But we sold these Air Max 200s. We found them at Ross for 45 bucks. I picked these up 2 days ago, and they sold for full asking price of 120. I pay for the shipping, so you gotta love it. Here's the numbers, you guys, for those Roshis and the Roshi G's and the Zoom Victory golf shoes I just packed up. Paid $43.20 for them. Sold them for $150. Fees for Poshmark 20%, so it's $30, and I made $76.80 from those 2 pairs of shoes, which is great. And now time to do the numbers for this. And this got this Helly Hansen hoodie right here that's sold too. So we're weighing these 1.86, round up to 2 pounds. So I paid up $48.60 for these. $60.06. Wow. Love those margins. Let's get this Rolo action. And now we're gonna pick up this Helly Hansen hoodie. So the retail on this was $90. Oh god, chill. Person who bought this paid $80 for it, and I bought this at Burlington for $20. So yeah, I'm gonna fold this all nice, and we got this hoodie like this. This will fit in an 11 by 14 or 14 by 11 poly bag. It may not be perfect, but it got inside, so. Yeah, we're gonna, and like that. Get the air out. This is gonna fit in a priority padded flat rate envelope. Get that Rolo action. Hopefully it doesn't come out crooked. Yeah, it's getting better. We paid $21.60 for this hoodie. Fees were $10.77. Shipping was $7.76, and the profit is $39.86 on this, which is great. So let's put it in a flat rate envelope now. One of these days, guys, this is gonna look clean. Don't know when, but just telling you, okay? Make it fit, you know. So put the thank you note. Thank you note barely fits, and we're ready to seal this up, guys. Hopefully I don't butcher this. Here's the hoodie, and that's gonna conclude it. I'm gonna put the numbers on the screen, see how I did. This was yesterday, February 5th. So it was a pretty good sales day, I think. That was me packaging up everything I had. I sold 4 pairs of shoes and 1 piece of clothing. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of these sales. Feel free to subscribe. Greatly helps out the channel. I want to be doing this YouTube stuff more frequently. If you guys enjoyed that video, thanks for watching till the very end, and I'll see you in my next video.